Welcome back to the Scaredy Cat Guide, my friends. My name is Jenny, and today I am riding the rock and roller coaster starring the Muppets for the very first time since it reopened. Now, I could not be more excited to see this retheme, to see what changes they made. I know the track is gonna be exactly the same, but I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I'm feeling a little bit nervous. It has been a while since I've ridden the rock and roller coaster, and it's pretty intense. It's pretty intense, and my anxiety has just been really high this week. Now, that is not to say that I won't enjoy it, but I'm definitely feeling the jitters, just a little bit. And even though it's maybe a little bit embarrassing to admit that I'm really nervous to ride a coaster that I've done many times before, I know that I am in great company with you guys. I love the community that we have built together, all of us anxious riders here, and I know that you guys can relate. Also, I feel like it's really important to talk about the fact that we can be really anxious even if we've done a coaster many times before. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me to experience the new coaster, all of the changes, and we're gonna have a great time. I believe in us. And there it is. I actually have not even been through here since they took all the scaffolding down. Oh, it looks incredible. I already can tell the vibe is very different, very fun. I love it. I have also really wanted to try out this food truck, so I might have to stop by later today. But can we talk about this groovy color scheme? I absolutely adore it. Oh, I'm so excited for this retheme. I think it's gonna be so good. Now, it is clearly a little bit later in the day. We waited a few hours, and the nice thing is it is pretty darn cool out here, which is nice. Very, very humid, but I am already so excited. Really enjoying these murals on the wall. Super cute. I really can't wait to see what is inside the queue. So one thing I'm immediately noticing is the outside of the queue looks pretty darn similar. I was actually just talking to my friend here about it kind of feels like an overlay more than an actual retheme. I've got high hopes though. I'm really excited to see what's on the inside, but I guess we'll find out. Also, I will be using my new meta glasses to film the actual ride, so I'm really excited. I hope it turns out. I know it's really dark in there, so we will see, but I'll get to show you guys the entire ride this time, so I'm very, very excited. All right, we are heading inside. So far, this looks very familiar.
Remember this sometime.
Interesting. Yeah, it does look like the only thing they changed is maybe some colored lights up here, and the posters are obviously Muppetified. It certainly doesn't look bad. I just was hoping for maybe a little bit more of a change. I don't know. What do you guys think?
Rock and roll!
All the way to the railing.
How's that sound?
Electric Mayhem, you should really be heading to your concert. We're already very late.
Whoa, look at all the looky-loo.
All right, we are done with the pre-show, and I am definitely feeling those nerves. I'm excited,
See you later.
but I'm definitely nervous. All right, we got this.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, rock and
We survived! We did it! All right, checking the heart rate. 92. That's not bad at all. 116. Are the lights colorful now? They're pretty. All right, guys, I did it. It is very, very similar to the other ride. I really don't know what I was so nervous about. For some reason, the launch always gets me. It feels really, really intense. It goes so fast, so quickly. I was actually in the front row, which was really, really fun. And I was just talking to my friend about how upbeat this one feels. Of course, the Aerosmith version was upbeat in its own way, but this is a whole nother level. It's just really, really happy, really just like fun, and we just had a really, really great time. I would absolutely go get right back in line. If the park was not closed, I would get right back in line and do it all over again. I will say I'm a little bit disappointed in the theming. They really did just slap some pictures of Muppets in picture frames throughout the queue, and the actual inside of the coaster, I mean, I didn't notice any really big differences. I'll have to go back and look at the footage because of course I was anxious and nervous, and I don't remember seeing any like really big Muppet theming, which of course I might correct myself if I did. I will pop it in here. But overall, it was really, really fun. Just really, really similar to the original version of the attraction. So thank you guys so much for coming along with me. And of course, if you liked this video and you would like to see more like it, don't forget to like, subscribe, stick around, stay a while. We would love to have you in our little community of anxious riders. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one.